guys, how you doing? K.S.B here, welcome back to another video. So today, it's Fetching My Dog Part 9. So let's get started. So really quick, the reason why I'm doing lots of Fetching My Dog videos is because I'm trying to upload daily on my channel for a week. It's really hard to get this loaded, guys. And by the way, this time I'm filming on my 3DS XL, my personal DS. Oh god, let's go through all this every time. Ready? So if you haven't seen any, which you probably have, but if you haven't, this is my dog Poppy, and this is a Nerf dog. You'll fight for it. Oh my god. So yeah, I did do a quick video today if I should do a Rocket League season or a Minecraft survival series. Oh my god, my hand's itchy. And I'm going to do one more here, guys, and then I'm going to go get a treat. Yeah, I'll get a treat. I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, guys, so I got a treat. So, Poppy, paw, 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 paw. Good girl. Take the treat. Let's get into some more Fetch for My Dog. I hope the footage is okay on my 3DS XL. Next time I'm going to try and film my 2DS. And just a quick note, guys, if I do complete my collection, I'll be filming my iPhone SE. So yeah, I'm going to end it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys later. Peace out.